Hello, assalamualaikum guys. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Learn how to make authentic fudgy brownie. So here's some of the exotic shots of my brownie recipe. Let's start. Take 1 cup of the melted butter, unsalted butter, and pour it into your big mixing bowl. And make sure it is melted. Crack three eggs in the separate small bowl. Make sure that these eggs are correct to use, and don't rush. Crack it nicely and ignore my curly look. Pour these 3 eggs into your mixing big bowl. Mix it well with the help of the spatula. Break your yolks and mix it nicely and smoothly. Don't splash on the table or any kitchen counter. Take 1 tablespoon of the vanilla essence. I am using SSC vanilla essence. Mix it well with the same spatula and take your sieve and take 1 cup of the light granulated brown sugar and sift it well. Make sure it is sifted nicely. I can't resist to use my hands and make sure it is sifted. Now take 1 cup of the white sugar. You can take icing sugar as well and sifted it with the same method with same sieve. Make sure you sifted it all the ingredients that are powdered. Make 1 cup of the flour. I didn't record, my gadget didn't record that. So put 3/4 cocoa powder that will be also sifted. 1 teaspoon of the salt and mix all these ingredients nicely, completely. Don't rush, take your time. The flour, sugar, brown sugar, salt, these all powder ingredients should be sifted nicely through your sieve and mix it with the same spatula. Make sure all the lumps are breaked and mixed completely into the mixture, into the melted butter and yolk. See the thickness and the consistency of the brownie mixture. It should be like this. It can be thick from this mixture, so don't use the whisking spoon. Spread the butter paper. You can take the parchment paper as well and spread it on the pan, baking pan. You can take the square one or the rectangular one as well, and pour the batter onto the butter paper or the parchment paper nicely. Spread it till the corners with soft hands. Make sure that your bowl should be empty and spread it well till the corners and tap this pan on the surface just a little bit, not too much, to make it set. Preheat your oven for 30 minutes and bake it at 350 Fahrenheit or 177 Celsius. Make the topping with cocoa powder and whipped cream. Mix it and spread this mixture on the freshly baked brownie. Cool your brownie for 15 minutes on the kitchen counter, then spread your topping on the top and spread completely nicely. Take your time, don't rush. You can use this spatula for all the process, for the mixing, also for the spreading. It is little messy, don't worry, wash your hands and do it. Done. Now dust some of the sugar on the top. Cut into equal 12 pieces. See the softness, see the gooiness, see the chewiness of the brownie. This is the authentic recipe. You can use it and rock it. This topping becomes dark, so don't worry, this is exactly like that. You can dust more sugar if you want. Make sure you cut nicely and remove your butter paper, parchment paper. Place it in your plates and enjoy. Don't forget to tag me. Here you have Bismillah. You can check out my website too. Here's the bloopers. Like, share, comment and subscribe. Allah Hafiz.